Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we show how to create Django template. First of all, we will go to CMD, then enable the environment, then go to folder, then create a new app like app name app2. Wait for some time, it will create a new app. Then go to VS Code. We show like app2 is created here. In views file, we have to import some libraries like from Django dot http import http response and create a function like abc request a. In this we return render request like create a html file and we pass the dictionary and save this, and in this folder we have to create a urls.py file, import libraries and import views from Django's path and URL patterns. And this will auto complete my path and save this file. Make one folder named templates. In this folder we have to create the app name folder, and in this we have to create the file that we entered in this abc.html. abc.html html at title like add the title app2 and go to body, and this paragraph tag the student name is will show variable in double spaces like a. And in settings folder, we have to go to installed apps and add the app to path like this and save the file. Go to URLs, we have to add the path of app2. After this we have to check the URLs like this abc and go to run the server. We have to enter manage.py run server. We have to check any details. There is some error. Okay, the error is shown that in this URL file this make a conflict, so we comment down this and go to run server. That server is created. Go to this browser, copy paste URL and app2 and abc and name. We show the student name is Ayush. Thanks for watching the video.